Hi everyone, my name is Arpeggiator, and in this video we'll be talking on how to use the Latch app and drum button on the Korg Nautilus. Let's go. Okay, so once you click on the mode button, it brings you to the home page, and what we want to do is turn on the app drum. Now we don't have anything on, the drum is off, the app is off, and the latch is off. So what we want to do is pretty much let's just see what they have in the drum. Once we click a button, it starts playing. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the last one. All right, so let's just play with this and this for now. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's turn on the latch button. Let's move to Doom. Let's bring it back on.